we have a lot of free time in our hands in this quarantine lockdown, and we are fortunate enough to have that time to do something entertaining. We get a lot of dopamine hits, but if you do this again and again, each and every single day, day in and day out, then there's one problem. There was a scientific study done, and in that study, there were two rats. The two of them rats were given dopamine hit. One of them was given occasionally, and another one had a dopamine switch, which the rat itself could pull, and it would get a dopamine hit. Now, after some time, what they observed is that the rat who had the lever, the switch, he kept pushing it on and off, on and off, on and off, until it was so lazy, so fucking lazy, that it had no motivation to eat, drink, to fulfill its primal desires, but only to get dopamine. And it slowly and steadily, it became useless. So, do you want to become the rat? Or do you want to become a person who is self-aware, who has the mind to be self-aware? Don't be like the rat. The greatest punishment that you can give yourself. Don't always be dopamine. Now, what is the solution? There are three things that I want you to do. It is to develop discipline, a strict discipline. Whatever you're going to do it. Don't hold back. Don't be distracted. Have that kind of a discipline. You will slowly develop conscientiousness, which is one of the most important factors for success. Number two, it is to have a routine, a system. You're going to have the system in your life from morning to like 12 o'clock. That's it. And you can enjoy, you can get as much dopamine boost as you want, but use your time wisely. 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, or even the whole day. You're gonna have to structure it like a businessman. Think like a businessman. That is what you need. And the number three is to reward yourself the adequate amount. Now, as I said, you can do whatever you can after 12 o'clock, but make sure that you get the correct amount of intense work done, the deep work done before 12 o'clock, and you can reward yourself adequately. And this is the number one factor that is going to develop your confidence, your self-esteem, your own worth, your own practices, your discipline. All these things are developed automatically. And if you do this, my friend, if you stick to this, you will become successful than the other people. Now, I can't guarantee that you will be the next Elon Musk, the next Jeff Bezos, the next Bill Gates, but I can guarantee that you will be ahead of the curve. So use these three things and see your life change, my friend. See it change right before your eyes. And make sure you implement this from today.